Hello, my name is Logan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the H-Borna screen protector for the Apple iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2018 third generation model. This screen protector is equivalent to that of Zag and many of the other screen protector producers out there. This screen protector currently is going for $9.99 on Amazon. The link for it will be below. So let's go ahead and dive into putting the screen protector on and see how it looks. Alright, so I received my H-Borna screen protector today. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so this is the H-Borna screen protector that you guys can get on Amazon for $9.99. Says for the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2018 release, 9H high defense friction, so it's got 9H glass, explosion proof. Okay. Scratch wear resistant, high definition. I believe that one says anti-fingerprint, but the barcode sticker's covering that up. On the back, ultimate shock absorption, enhanced 9H scratch proof, precise dimensioning, enhanced anti-piercing. Before we open this, I want to go ahead and say thank you to H-Borna for getting this out to me so we can do this review. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, so once we're on the inside, there is a nice little foam protector to make sure you get your screen protector not cracked. Right here we have wipes. Number 1 is a wet wipe, number 2 is a dry wipe. These are guide stickers. I've used these before, didn't really work out that well, so we're going to see how I'm going to get this lined up. So the screen protector is actually in a little pocket, and there is the screen protector. Feels just like every other type of screen protector that's glass, kind of a very flexible, almost like plexiglass it seems like. There's the number 1 sticker, there isn't a number 2, so there is not an actual protective coating on the actual top part. So this screen protector will go down like this. See if I can get this to where you guys can see it. So right here, there is a little slot there. That is for the microphone on the iPad Pro. That is not for the camera. I know a lot of users get confused on that. They think, oh, it's got to line up with the camera. That is not true. That is strictly for the front microphone on the iPad Pro. Alright, so I went ahead and grabbed my iPad Pro. I've got a screen protector on this currently. I'm going to try and peel it off and plop the new one on without having to clean and do all that. We're going to see how this goes. Alright. Glass screen protectors are never the easiest thing to peel off. Let's see, there we go. I actually am going to clean this. Alright, so there's the old screen protector. I'm just going to mainly concentrate on the edges here since the center is fairly clean already. So I believe I got all the dust off. Every time I think I get it all off, I see one piece settle back down. I'm gonna leave that piece of tape right there because I feel like I'm going to need that again. So we're gonna peel off layer 1. So the screen protector actually lays down quite nicely. I'm just making sure I don't have any air bubbles showing. Easiest way that I have learned to remove air bubbles is to peel it up a little bit. Now if you do have micro bubbles showing, those usually do just kind of disappear on their own. So we have the new screen protector installed. It actually, I'm impressed with myself. I do not see any dust up under the screen. That is really nice. I will like to point out the microphone slot up here. Let's see. So that little microphone slot right there, I do like how it's actually a U cut. So I do like how they did this. The Hborna did their little microphone slot. Let's go ahead and turn this iPad on. I want to check out the clarity. First off, the Apple, I do not see any discoloration whatsoever. This artwork is incredible, and it is a great way to see if there's any kind of discolorations. And I don't see anything. Alright, so Apple Pencil works. Pressure works. So overall, I'm very pleased with the Hborna screen protector for the iPad Pro. I personally would recommend it, and I believe that you guys should go down, click the link below, buy one for yourselves, check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Do y'all have any problems putting it on? Screen protectors overall are not very easy to install. I had a very easy one here. Using the tape really helps give you that ultra clean surface to apply the screen protector. Please subscribe, like. If you didn't like it, you're more than welcome to dislike it, but I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'll see y'all next time.